favorites, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. My name is Gladys Yesa for those who don't know me, and I make cooking and baking tutorials. I also share kitchen tips and hacks. Apart from that, I share educative information around parenthood, and I share interesting conversation just about life. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can boost your immunity even during this period. So let's jump into the video. So our today's ingredients, we have garlic, we have lemons, at least 2, we have ginger, we have honey, and our secret ingredient, which is black pepper. So let's get started. I have sliced my lemons, and my ginger is well washed. I don't remove the skin. And here are my cloves of garlic. So I'll crush them. I love crushing them so that the juice gets extracted easily. Here they are finely crushed. You can also grate them with a grater. And I have my 3 glasses of water ready. So I'll put on the fire and I'll cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. You want all the juices to be extracted slowly, so you don't want to put high heat. I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And while you're cooking it, make sure you cover it so that the steam doesn't evaporate or disappear. All the flavors to remain inside. 20 minutes later, wow, I love the aroma. And by the way, this steam is good if you have blocked nose or you have flu. You can use the steam to open your airways. My ginger lemon tea is ready. I'll serve. Then I'll add a tablespoon of honey for me. And garnish it with this lemon like so. Here is my drink ready. You can serve it with your favorite snack or take it as it is. Wow, it's very strong. It's very strong and it tastes really nice. Lemon is acidic in nature, and those who suffer ulcers might feel burning sensation after taking lemon drinks. That's why I've used black pepper, because black pepper is going to neutralize the acidic level in my lemon. And also, apart from this drink being an immune booster, it can be used to detoxify your body. I hope you keep healthy, you continue staying safe. Until next time, bye, love you.